how to check your BECE, WASSCE, and other results online. So all you have to do is to just go to wire.com, is the official website of WAEC. So if you get here, you just scroll down and then you see that WAEC has just released the provisional result for the basic education examination. Okay, so for you to check your results online, all what you have to do is to just click on these three lines here, and this is what is going to take you. You see home, examination certificate, and you see results. Click on results and then it will open another menu for you. So just look for result checker and you click on result checker. Now, which result are you checking? Is it basic school, WASSCE, or ABCE, or GBCE? So when you get here, you just have to select the type of result that you are checking. So now we are checking for BEC. You click on BEC. It will take you to this place where we have the index number here. So you enter your index number, you confirm your index number, you select exams type, okay, and then here exams here, you enter your serial number, that is the serial number, and then you enter your pin. So with the last two, you need to get a voucher. Okay, so for you to get your voucher, just contact the number in the video. I'll help you to get a voucher, but it's not free. Then after that, you hit on I'm not a robot, and you hit on submit, and your result is going to be released for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.